National Science Day. Today, the discovery of C.V. Raman was exposed to the world. To become aware of National Science Day and about C.V. Raman, subscribe to my channel VV. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February each year to mark the discovery of Raman effect by the Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. History of National Science Day. In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication asked the Government of India to designate February 28 as National Science Day. The event is now celebrated all over India in schools, colleges, universities, and other academics such as scientific, technical, medical, and research institutions. On the occasion of the first NSD National Science Day NCSDC, he announced the institution of the National Science Popularization Awards for recognizing outstanding efforts in the area of science and communication. C.V. Raman was an Indian physicist known mainly for his work in the field of light scattering. With his student K.S. Krishnan, he discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes wavelength and amplitude. This phenomenon was a new type of scattering of light and was subsequently termed as the Raman effect. Raman won the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics and was the first Asian person to receive a Nobel Prize in any branch of science. Celebrations of National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India every year on 28th February. The celebration also includes public speeches, radio, TV, science movies, science exhibitions based on themes and concepts, debates, quiz competitions, lectures. Objectives of celebrating National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated to spread a message about the importance of science used in daily life of the people, to display all the activities, efforts, and achievements in the field of science for human welfare. It is celebrated to discuss all the issues and implement new technologies for development in the field of science, to give an opportunity to the scientific minded citizens in India, to encourage the people as well as popularize science and technology in India.